I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily.
Hey bougie babes, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute highlighted wig. This hair is brought to you by Unice Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the bag, how I customize and style this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye.
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this bag, I received a silk wig bag, some jewelry from Unice, a brush, and some more goodies, which received a wig cap, elastic band, and eyelashes, and of course a brush and a robe. This unit is a 24-inch red highlighted loose wave wig at 13x4 lace frontal unit with adjustable straps and combs with a detachable elastic band. So I'm taking my 50 volume developer, quick blue powder, and a drop of that Adore Rich eggplant, and we're gonna mix that together and create a nice thick consistency. I did attempt to bleach this unit, but the knots did not lift, so I highly recommend either A, plucking, which is what I did, or B, using color removal. And the next day I ended up just plucking this unit and having a natural hairline. This hairline was very thick, so I did spend some time plucking this unit, making sure it looks as natural as possible because the knots were still dark. And with pre-color units, you will have to either lift the hair color using a hair color remover, or just, you know, plucking as best as you possibly can. And so now after I plucked the hairline, I went ahead and bone straightened this unit using some She hair products. I'll link those down below. And I'm also using the She hot comb or flat iron at 450 degrees, and I just did the chase method all the way down, and the hair got super bone straight. After styling this unit, I went ahead and took my Ruby Kiss concealer and applied that all throughout the lace frontal unit. So now it's time to install this unit. As you can see, I already have one wig cap on, and I'm taking the second wig cap to use as a bald cap. And I like to cut the ears out first, and then I'm going to take my Eben hairspray in the sensitive version to apply that throughout my hairline. And of course, I found a new song, and I would definitely want to play it for you guys while you watch me install this unit. And don't forget, I do get all of my music off of Epidemic Sound, and the artist will be tagged on the screen for you. Enjoy.
I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat a setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Yo, shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game, I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite of that life and it tastes so exquisite, it feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid, I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams, wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, bag up the royalty, I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big wave at your shoreline so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas, nitro with a new pen, going ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave.
So I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I did, you know, adding a little bit of hip hop trap. But as you can see, I am getting ready to do a half up, half down look, and I use just a claw clip to hold my hair up. I don't know what it's giving, like, you know, Asian style. I don't know what it's giving, but I feel like this style looks super cute, especially with this hair color, because the red is like a lot. You know me, I don't really do like colors on my hair, so I wanted to do something different just to showcase the red highlights within this wig, as well as the luster on this unit when it's straightened. I could have easily did like a middle part with some layered looks, but you know, we gotta do something different around here. And as you can see, I'm working on my baby hairs, and I just like to add some Got2b glue gel on the ends after curling it, and then some mousse to finish out those swoops, and then using some hair wraps to hold the hair or the baby hairs into place, and then waiting until that dries and combing those out. But as you can see, I am doing my baby hairs. They're not the best, but my little bangs kind of cover up the baby hairs, so I'm happy about that. The only thing I would do differently is lift the knots a little bit with color remover, just because the knots are very dark and big. So in person I feel like it still looks a little wiggy, but that is my advice. If you guys are considering this wig, definitely do color removal instead of bleaching the unit, because bleach is not going to work. And then as you can see, I'm combing out my baby hairs to just make them a little bit more fluffy. And then that's basically it. I actually really love how the hair turned out for me not to be able to bleach these knots. They still look very, very good. The hair is gorgeous. The luster, I just love Unice hair texture. I want to thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.